Good PM. Ngayon po ay Sunday, November 24, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, November 24, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong November 24, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Sunday, November 24, 2024. Here is my tonight's jackpot estimates for Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for November 24, 2024, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Sunday, November 24, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.